Namaste students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is playing with number. Playing with numbers. This chapter is very interesting and is useful for your calculation for the many of the small problems, for addition, for subtraction, for division. Also, when you grow up and you give the exam for the aptitude test, so this type of topic and will sure help you in early in a fast calculation. Fine. First of all, I'll start with any of the number. We know that a number, suppose let us take a number 78. There are the two forms of the number. One is a standard form. One is a standard form and another is an expanded form. Now, this number 78, this is the standard form of a number. If I have to expand this, which you people have learned in your junior class, like third or fourth, so this number can be written as a 78 can be written as a 70 plus 8. This is the expanded form of a number. If I write this as a 10 multiplied by 7, so I can write 70 as a 10 multiplied by 7 plus 8. So this is what? Again, a little bit more expanded form. Fine. If I talk about general form, if you can see from here, this 8 is at the unit place, or we can say ones place, and 7 is at the tens place. Fine. If we see this one expanded form, that is 10 multiplied by 7 plus 8. So this is T, that is tens digit, and this is U, that is unit digit. I can write this as in general form as a 10 multiplied by A. What is A? A is a variable in where we can put any of the value, any of the digit plus B. Fine. What is A? A is the digit which is at the tens place, and B is a digit which we write at the unit place. If we write like this, this is the general form of a number. You don't have to write T and U. This is just for your knowledge that A is a digit at the tens place and B is a digit at the unit place. So otherwise general form is 10 multiplied by A, that is 10A plus B. This is the general form of any of the number. Please remember, A and B, tens digit, unit digit, only 2 digits. So this is the general form of the 2-digit number. Now, this is a general form. General form is you write A, any of the value, any of the number, B, any of the number, and you can get that number. For example, if I write here, for example, let A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 7. So if I write here, so that this will become, it's 10 multiplied by 4 plus 7. 10 4s are 40 plus 7. This is 40 plus 7 will give you 47. Fine. So this is a general form where we substitute the value, that is A and B, any of the digit, and we get the number as a 47. If we talk about a 3-digit number, U, that is a digit at the unit place, T, digit at the tens place, and H, that is digit at the hundredth place. Let us maybe take any of the number, that is 281. So if I will expand, this is the standard form. This is the standard form. If I write the expanded form, we can write it as a 200 plus 80 plus 1. Fine. A little bit more expand. So this will be at the 100 place. So 100 multiplied by 2. 2 is a digit which is a 100 place. So 100 multiplied by 2. And this is a digit 8 which is at the tens place. So multiply by 10, and this is the 1 at the ones place. We multiply by 1, but answer will come same, so we don't write. Fine. So here this is the digit at the hundredth place, tenth place, unit place. If we talk about a general form, so 100 multiplied by a that is a digit at the hundredth place because it is multiplied by 100. 10 multiplied by b, that is a digit at the tenth place, and it's a digit, let it be here c. You again want to multiply by 1, multiply, otherwise will not affect. So when we combine, this is a general form, but in the standard form that will be written as a b c. That is the standard form. This will help you in few questions which will come in the in linear equation in one variable, where it will be helpful, or in the two variable, that will be in the senior classes. But in linear equation, one variable is in this same class, class 8. So this expanded form which I told you earlier, that will help. Now I'll give you one example where we will learn how to replace alphabet by a number, or we can say that what number will come in place of that alphabet. Fine. Question is, it's a 5a 6, this is 0, it's 2 3 b 3. We have to add and such that the result will be it's c 2 8 and 3. Now in this type of question we have to find the value of alphabet A and the alphabet B. But please remember, A in place of each alphabet only one digit will come. No two digit number will be there. Fine. So now how to find? Just have a look. If we talk about, this is the units, this is 10, this is 100, and this is 1000 place. If we talk about unit place, that will be what? That is 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Fine, this is given. Now if we talk about tens place, what is this? This is 6 plus b is equal to 8. So what to be added to 6 so that we can get the 8? So result is 2, or we can solve simply that b is equal to 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. So from here we got that b is equal to 2. Fine. Now come for the a. For this is for the 100th place. For the 100th place, this is a plus 3. A plus 3 is what? That is 2. Now 3 is already bigger than 2. So what to be added? If we add 1, 3 plus 1, 4. No, that's wrong. Then 2, 3 plus 2, 5. No, wrong. So like this we keep on adding, and this we know that what number 3 to add a, that is 9. 9 plus 3 will become 12. So we get 2 here. Fine. 9, this in place of a, that will be what? That will be 9. So that we know that 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. But we want only unit digit. So unit digit is here. This one will go carry to next one. Fine. So we can say that it means that what is a? A is equal to 9. And next is what? This is 1 for 1000 place. For 1000 place, we have one more variable, that is c. So we have 1, that is carry, plus 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 and plus 6 plus 2 is 8. So it means c is equal to 8. So it means what we got the answer, that is a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 2, whereas c is equal to 8. This is a simple addition, only at few points this a, b and c, you can say these are fill in the blanks or the simple variable, we have to replace it by one of the digit. Next I am going to give you example of multiplication. This is a number 235 that is multiplied by 2 digit number. one digit unit digit is known, that is 6, and tens digit is replaced by alphabet B. When we multiply, we got B4 BA, and this is 235. And what we do basically, we add these two. We add these two and we got this result. Now we have to find the value of A, B and C. Please remember, here also it is B, here also it is, here also this is B. 3 place we have a B, so all the 3 place same value of the B will come. Fine. Now this is A, so A, whatever the A will come, so this A will come. So for A, first of all, for A, this is 6 multiplied by 5. 6 multiplied by 5, that is 6 5s are 30. So 0 will come at a unit place. So unit place is 0. Therefore A is equal to 0. What we come here as a 6 5s are 30, 0 and 3 will come. Fine. Now next is, as I told you, we know that we have to add this. So if we take about this ones place, this is tens place. For tens place, we have a B plus 5 is equal to 6, or we can say that B is equal to 6 minus 5. What we got, that is B is equal to 1. I'm just writing at a small here, 1. So we got the value of A 0, we got the value of B as 1. If this B is 1, it means this is also 1, this is also 1, and this is also 1. Fine. So if we have add 2 and B, in place of B we write 1. So this is for C. For C alphabet, what we have, that is B plus 2 is equal to C. Putting B is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to C. Or we can write that C is equal to 3. So we can replace C by 3. So we get all the values. I'm writing here as a value, that is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 3. See, this type of question, if we solve or you people solve, will create an interest. This is very simple. Just you can take example of your own, that you multiply any of the number and you replace one of its digit by question mark, and you can ask from your friends. This is a very creative thing for you people.